Okay, how to multiply any two-digit number by 11. This is Megan with the fourth L. This video series is to help those of us who love speed math to train our brains. In this video, we'll be multiplying two-digit numbers by 11. First, I'll show you the trick, and after that, you'll find short practice rounds to hone your skill. Okay, let's get started. Step 1, add the two digits together. Step 2, place the sum between the original two numbers. So, for example, looking at 24 times 11. Step 1, add the two digits. So we take the 24 and we add the 2 and the 4 together, which makes 6. Step 2, place the sum between the original two numbers. So we place the 6 between the 2 and the 4, and that gives us 264. So 24 times 11 equals 264. If you solve this equation using the conventional method, you can see why this works. We have 24 times 11, so we multiply the 24 by the 1 and we get 24. Then we place a 0 and multiply the 24 by the 1 in the tens place, and we end up with 240. We then add them together and we get 264. So you can see that you add the two digits together and place the sum between the original two digits. Okay, let's do another one. 71 times 11. So first add the two digits together, 7 plus 1 equals 8, and then put the 8 between the original two digits and we get 781. Now you do one. How about 36 times 11? Go ahead and do step 1. Did you get 9? And step 2. And hopefully you arrived at 36 times 11 equals 396. Now, if the two digits add up to 10 or more, there's another step and we'll get to that. But first, let's practice with two-digit numbers whose numbers add up to less than 10. We'll start with a warm-up round so you can get used to doing this trick. Ready? And go. 41 times 11. 451. 12 times 11. 132. 63 times 11. 693. 22 times 11. 242. 17 times 11. 187. 34 times 11. 374. 51 times 11. 561. 72 times 11. 792. 26 times 11. 286. 45 times 11. 495. And now for the speed rounds. Each round will be faster than the one before. Are you ready? Get set and go. 25 times 11. 275. 18 times 11. 198. 32 times 11. 352. 70 times 11. 770. 44 times 11. 484. 21 times 11. 231. 52 times 11. 572. 11 times 11. 121. 35 times 11. 385. 61 times 11. 671. And now round 2. 31 times 11. 341. 14 times 11. 154. 53 times 11. 583. 80 times 11. 880. 24 times 11. 264. 63 times 11. 693. 71 times 11. 781. 13 times 11. 143. 42 times 11. 462. 23 times 11. 253. And finally, round 3. 62 times 11. 682. 81 times 11. 891. 43 times 11. 473. 16 times 11. 176. 54 times 11. 594. 35 times 11. 385. 90 times 11. 990. 27 times 11. 297. 72 times 11. 792. Okay, now let's look at the process when the two digits add up to 10 or more. So 48 times 11, for example. We start out the same. 4 plus 8 equals 12. But we can't just put the 12 in between the 4 and the 8. If we did, we would end up with 4,128, which is way too high. What we do is we take the 12 and we put the 2 in between the 4 and the 8, and then we carry the 1 and add it to the 4, which makes 528. So 48 times 11 equals 528. Let's do another one. 96 times 11. We add the two digits together, 9 plus 6 equals 15. We place the 5 in between the 9 and the 6, carry the 1, and add it to the 9. So we get 1056. Now you do one. How about 37 times 11? Go ahead and do the first step. Did you get 10? And now the second step. And hopefully you got 407. Again, we'll start with the warm-up. In all of these equations, the two digits will add up to either 10 or greater. So for every one of them, you will be carrying the 1. Get ready and go. 39 times 11. 429. 74 times 11. 814. 28 times 11. 308. 67 times 11. 737. 19 times 11. 209. 93 times 11. 1023. 87 times 11. 957. 55 times 11. 605. 48 times 11. 528. 79 times 11. 869. And now for the speed rounds. Are you ready? Get set and go. 91 times 11. 1001. 65 times 11. 715. 76 times 11. 836. 49 times 11. 539. 73 times 11. 803. 86 times 11. 946. 57 times 11. 627. 98 times 11. 1078. 83 times 11. 913. 37 times 11. 407. And round 2. 58 times 11. 638. 29 times 11. 319. 64 times 11. 704. 88 times 11. 968. 92 times 11. 1012. 47 times 11. 517. 77 times 11. 847. 85 times 11. 935. 38 times 11. 418. 99 times 11. 1089. And now round 3. 46 times 11. 506. 97 times 11. 1067. 19 times 11. 209. 75 times 11. 825. 39 times 11. 429. 89 times 11. 979. 56 times 11. 616. 78 times 11. 858. 94 times 11. 1034. 68 times 11. 748. Okay, so now we're at the final section of this video where all the equations are mixed together. Some like those in section 1, some like those in section 2. You ready? And go. 29 times 11. 319. 15 times 11. 165. 61 times 11. 671. 73 times 11. 803. 12 times 11. 132. 88 times 11. 968. 92 times 11. 1012. 69 times 11. 759. 44 times 11. 484. 52 times 11. 572. Round 2. 24 times 11. 264. 93 times 11. 1023. 72 times 11. 792. 17 times 11. 187. 48 times 11. 528. 33 times 11. 363. 67 times 11. 737. 84 times 11. 924. 53 times 11. 583. 96 times 11. 1056. And now round 3. 32 times 11. 352. 74 times 11. 814. 54 times 11. 594. 91 times 11. 1001. 62 times 11. 682. 59 times 11. 649. 41 times 11. 451. 28 times 11. 308. 83 times 11. 913. 21 times 11. 231. So, how was that? The secret to this is practice. The more you practice, the more accurate you'll become and the faster you'll be at it. To help with that, I've created 2 practice videos, number 3A and number 3B in the Speed Math series. And as you may know, the times speed up not only within each video, but per video. So in number 3A, the times are faster than in number 3, and in number 3B, the times are faster than in number 3A. And for anyone who is struggling out there, don't give up. You can do this. I have faith in you. All it takes is practice. And if you want to keep practicing, join me in number 3A. The link is in the description and should be on the screen right now.